Understanding lower back pain.
Lower back pain is a common issue affecting millions of people worldwide. Daily activities, prolonged sitting, or poor posture can contribute to discomfort or stiffness. Fortunately, incorporating simple mobility drills into your routine can help relieve tension, improve flexibility, and support long-term back health. Let's explore the top exercises that can make a real difference.
Cat-cow stretch for spinal mobility.
The cat-cow stretch is a gentle, flowing movement that increases spinal flexibility and eases tightness. Start on your hands and knees. Alternate arching your back upward like a cat and dipping it downward like a cow. This drill promotes blood flow and loosens the muscles supporting your lower back, making it a great addition to your daily routine.
Child's pose for gentle decompression.
Child's pose is a restorative yoga position that gently decompresses the lower spine. Kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels, and reach your arms forward while lowering your forehead to the ground. Hold this position to relieve tension, stretch the lower back, and calm the nervous system for overall back well-being.
Knee to chest stretch for flexibility.
The knee to chest stretch helps increase flexibility in the lumbar spine and hips. Lie on your back and gently pull one knee, then the other, toward your chest. Hold briefly, keeping your lower back relaxed on the floor. This daily movement encourages greater mobility and can reduce discomfort from tight muscles and ligaments.
Hip flexor stretch to balance the core.
Tight hip flexors can contribute to lower back pain. To stretch them, kneel with one foot in front and gently push your hips forward. Keep your back straight and feel the stretch at the front of your hip. Regularly practicing this drill supports core balance and relieves pressure on the lower back.
Incorporating mobility drills into daily life.
To combat lower back pain, consistency is key. Aim to perform these mobility drills once or twice daily, moving smoothly and without forcing any stretch. Combine them with staying active, maintaining good posture, and listening to your body's limits. With regular practice, these exercises can help relieve discomfort and prevent future issues.